Hello, my name is Josette, and I am going to take you on a brief walk through my banking app, Pluto Pay. I am first going to take you through my 3-step sign-up authentication process. Then I am going to show you how to do a money transfer transaction. And thirdly, I'm going to show you how to add money to your account. Okay, here we go. The first thing, we have on my first onboarding page. We're not going to go through that, so therefore I'm going to skip that by pressing skip intro. And here we are at the welcome page. This is the first step of the sign up process. You enter your phone number, you hit continue, a verification code is sent to your phone, you enter that here. On the second step, you have the option of skipping this step, but it is not recommended. So you put in your email address. You also get a code this time to your email, and you enter the code here. Then you are asked to set up a 4-digit PIN. This is the PIN that you're going to be using to always get into your account on your telephone. So you confirm your PIN, and you have gone through the process. Once you've click confirm, and your account has been created. Okay, we are now at your landing page, and here I'm going to show you how to do a money transfer. You can do a money transfer 2 ways. You can either click on send money, or you can click on the bank. We will go ahead and click on the bank. Okay, then you have where you can pay a bill or do a money transfer. We click on money transfer, you click send, and here you would put in the currency that you're sending, and it will give you the currency that is being received if it's in another country. And here will tell you how much it would be with fees. And you would hit continue, and then it would ask you if you accept the fees as they are. If you click no, you will go back to the landing page, but here we're going to click yes. And then it's going to ask you the method of pickup for the receiver of the money. And you wanted to go to their bank account, so you would click send to bank account. That will then bring up a page where you put in their information, the receiver's information. And when you go to click on the IBAN number, it would ask you if you want to save the recipient's email address for future transactions. If you click no, it will just give you a page to enter the IBAN number, but we're going to click yes. And that will tell you that the information, which is the email address, has been saved, and then gives you the permission to send the money. Then you get to review the transaction with the fees, the name, the IBAN number, and when everything is pleasing to you, you click confirm. You must enter your PIN in order to complete this transaction. And then you'll be given a confirmation page that says your money has been sent. Would you like to complete another transaction? If you click yes, then you will go back to where you started transaction. If you click no, you will go back to the landing page. I'm also going to show you how to add money to your account. You can click the add money symbol at the top. Then you go into a page. You click on add money. You can add from credit card or from bank account. We're going to do from credit card. You're going to go to this page. You are going to put in your credit card number, the expiration date, and your CVV code, and the amount that you're going to send. And then you will click on the confirm button. Once that transaction is completed, you can go back to your My Profile page, or you can go home. This is Josette, and thank you for taking the time to listen to my brief explanation of my banking app, Pluto Pay.